Good morning students. Today I am going to teach you story from English 2. Okay, let's see unit 5 Mayovi Kites. Who is written this story? Thomas Anthony. Okay, Thomas Anthony was an American writer. He has written more than 200 children book. Okay, let's see. There are three main characters of this story: Mayovi, his friends, old woman. Okay, so this story about Mayovi means who wanted to make a kite and how did he control the kite, that only we are going to see through this story. Okay, let's see. Means there was a boy who named Mayovi. So one morning Mayovi decided that he had built a kite. So what a kite he built? His mother gave him her largest and strongest piece of cloth. So Mayovi uses piece of cloth, sticks of bamboo and strong rope, means which has taken from Oleana's rope. So he uses those things and made a kite. So Miss Mayovi kite was a work of art, and he told himself, Miss, I should get a special wind to fly my kite. Means I will go to meet the keeper of the wind and ask her. She will help me to fly my kite. So his friends happily gather around to help him and carry his kite to keeper of the wind. Means as the group walked through the village, everybody left their work and came to watch them. Is what are they going to do? So when the group finally came near the cave of the wind, they could see the keeper of the wind. Keeper of the wind, means who was sitting by the entrance. So, oh, keeper of the wind cried, Mayovi, okay, please bring Ippu Iki and let us fly our kite. So the keeper was a wise old woman. Okay, the keeper was a wise old woman, and she know that means the great wind of Ippu Iki would play with the boy. Okay, so she went into her cave, and returned. She was carrying a small card and singing her song. So what does she sing? Let me read. Miss, what does she sing? Let me sing. Miss, oh wind, soft wind of Gilead, wind from the cord of everlasting wind, come from Ippu Iki, oh wind, soft wind of Gilead, come gently and come mildly. So after sings, she opens it, the lid of the cord. Miss, the soft wind of Gilead comes out from the cord. So Mayovi and his friends cheered up. Means as the kite rose high into the air. Okay, means like a great bird over the sea. Okay, so the keeper was standing silently and looked on with a smile. Okay, so after while the keeper means old woman. Okay, so the keeper said that is enough today. So the wind should not be taken for greater. Means they will respect you if you respect them. Okay, so after a moment Mayovi said, yes, O keeper of the wind, means call your wind back to you. So means after that the woman who has a card, means card means what is the meaning of the card? Means a fleshy vegetable with a thick skin. Okay, so the old woman means who has a card remove the lid means like this. So remove this one. Okay, remove the lid. Remove the lid from the Ippu Iki. Okay, so as the wind returned, means the kite slowly dropped. So after that what will happen, that means Mayovi and his friends back to house, while the old woman means who has a card. Okay, so the keeper closed the lid. So after that, but Mayovi was not satisfied, means Mayovi wanted to know that, means how much highly it could fly. So the next day Mayovi and his friends means took the kite and back to the cave of the wind. Okay, so this time Mayovi asked her, means oh keeper of the wind, means bring out Ippu new. Okay, bring out Ippu new means the four cried winds, cried Mayovi. Okay, so, but the woman, means who has a card, she was telling him, means the wind of cried. Okay, so sorry, the wind of Ippu Iki, so the wind of Ippu Iki were enough, Mayovi, she replied. And don't you remember that what I said to you, means you should respect the wind, especially the great, means the four great winds. But Mayovi means he was not listen what she was telling him. Okay, but he was telling her, but I am strong as as the four great winds, means said Mayovi, and he started to cry. So after that, if he is received the four great winds or not, let's see tomorrow. Okay student, okay, thank you students.